Hello y'all, my name's Mike, and today we're gonna make Texasian stir-fried noodles. This is one of my mom's favorite dishes, so I hope you enjoy, and here are the ingredients. For my first choice of vegetable, I have gailan, and what I did to prepare, I removed the leaves from the stem, and I cut the stem in half vertically. This is bok choy muy, and what I did, I removed the bok choy to each of their own pieces and washed them. Our third vegetable is mini king oyster mushrooms, and I sliced them to make it easier to cook. Also, I use Taiwanese noodles, and it has a very chewy texture and is a great source of fiber. Fun fact, according to the Institute of Medicine, here are the RDA of how many grams of fiber a person needs daily. What I did first, I added noodles into the boiling water and I let it sit there for about 5 minutes. Next, add an oil and onion into the pan and saute till 30 seconds till fragrance, then add in your gailan into the pan. Sound on for sizzle. Also, fun fact, gailan is packed with calcium that is beneficial to your bones and teeth. After the gailan, I saute the bok choy muy, and if y'all don't have any of these vegetables, don't worry about it. Just make sure you have at least 2 or 3 vegetables to work with. Lastly, I cook my mini king oyster mushrooms, and as you can see, I like to cook my vegetables separately because personally, I'm afraid that one vegetable may cook faster than another vegetable. However, it's up to y'all how y'all want to cook it. For my protein choice, I use shrimp, and depending on the size, I cook it for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side. Next, add your noodles, and as you can see in this video, the noodles begin to stuck together. However, do not worry about it. Once you apply heat, it begins to loosen up and you're able to work with it better. Add your cooked vegetables and shrimp, and feel free to add chili pepper flakes if you want a little bit more kick to your dish. However, it's up to y'all, and at any point, feel free to add in your mixture. At this stage of cooking, your house begins to start smelling really nice from all the ingredients. Top it off, adding your green onions, and your product is finally completed. Here are the servings, and according to MyFitnessPal, here are the nutrition facts. And that's all for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on the bottom, and thank y'all. Have a great day.